Document your journey with a non-traditional car dash cam. Introducing Surveil, loaded with features to keep you safe. And document your journey in high-resolution 1080p. Download apps from the Google Play Store without using your phone.
Direction to Malibu.
Run your favorite GPS navigation with voice commands. Record your speed, location, and time with a touchscreen. Add the rear camera for dual camera display. A G sensor prevents collisions and auto records. Use GPS tracker to find your car. Get up-to-date traffic. Supports Bluetooth 3G wireless. Get real-time positioning. Play your favorite music and make phone calls. Document everything. Day or night, high resolution with expandable storage. Playback recorded events and add a SIM card to become a Wi-Fi hotspot. Surveil. Document your journey.